Today we're going to look at how to save our own potato seeds. Of course, you're going to want to dig your potatoes up from the previous year. That maybe you started with some store-bought seed. In a pinch, you can actually even do this from just regular store-bought potatoes if you need to. Now, they do put a little bit of a chemical on the plants to keep it from producing those eyes, which is necessary to grow, but as we all know, they produce them anyway in our pantries, so you can definitely use them. Just wash them off and put them in the pantry in a dark place and they'll start to produce eyes. But if you buy seed potato and you start them yourself, you can save from your seed potato year after year after year. When you harvest, just take them out of the dirt, leave them dirty, do not wash them, and store them in a cool, dark place until you're ready to use them. And we'll show you the process of what to do with them next.
These are seed potatoes, and we're cutting them. This is a bag of seed potatoes that was purchased at our local co-op. And what we do with these in the South to make more potatoes to plant is we look for the eyes on them. There's eyes all the way around.
I just quarter them.
And we try to cut enough of the potato to go with the eyes to give it something to feed off of while it's growing. We're going to take this and dry it about a week or so so that it doesn't rot in the ground, because our soil here in Louisiana is very moist. And then once we put it in the ground in the dirt in the row, the little sprouts will come up right here and make the potato plant. Now, I flipped it over and cut the other side where the eyes have meat to them. Well, I say meat, potato to them. And then this side,
I think short. Oh, you can't do that with this.
we'll cut that. I have no problem. So each hunk has an eye or 2 or 3 on it. And that way, that one potato gave me, instead of planting just one potato, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potatoes that I can plant in the row to produce more. And because the potatoes, as they start to grow,
You can get my book knife.
they make up the vine, not into the root system. You may have 1 or 2 on the bottom. That's why potatoes, you pull dirt up the stem, because your potatoes will make up the stem. That's how you get more potatoes. You're supposed to get, for every pound of seed potatoes, you will end up with 7 pounds or better of harvested potatoes. Right now we're cutting our seeds, and then we're going to set them on the tray for about a week and let them dry, because if you put them in the ground wet, they may rot. These were cut, and we're going to leave the cut part on the bottom and the eye on the top. This was at once a whole potato. We cut it so that we could get pieces off of it and we could have more plants. The eye on it right there will make a plant, and you can have like 4 plants off of 1 potato instead of just planting 1 potato. We put them about a foot apart in the ground, and then we cover them up with dirt without grass. And then they'll shoot up a plant, and that plant will make you as many as 7 potatoes or more. And that's how we do it, a foot apart.
Did you coat them with ashes?
Yes, and we coated them. If you notice the dust on them, there is some dust on them. What we did was, we didn't have enough time to cure them, which is usually about a week or so after we cut them. We let this part get dry and hard so that it didn't rot in the ground. So we didn't have time to cure them. What we did was we took ashes from the fireplace and we put ashes on them to keep them from the bacteria from growing and keep them from rotting in the ground, and we can still plant them all the same. Right now, immediately after cutting. I'll show you the carrots. Foot apart.
To help us plant potatoes.
Some more potatoes. Keep it in there. They found an earthworm in the dirt.
I think a sweet potato has every vitamin.
And I got it.
I found the carrot.
did.
Look what I got. Eric.
Oh, here we are.
Come in, I'll get you one of these.
Look, carrot.
In the garden, I'll get you one.
Look at
See that?
Oh, that's carrot.
And then cover them up.
Daddy's cheating. He's got a 4-foot rake.
Yeah, I'm all like, y'all suck. Look how quick I'm doing it.